What Pinnacle is bringing is retail that complements the casino only and sells the casino merchandise that might market Pinnacle. But it's not bringing competitive retail that's going to compete with the tourism dollars or the Star Bond dollars that we're trying to collect in the Village West complex.
Pinnacle has been a tremendous partner every step of the way, from every commitment they've made till completion. They've done what they said they were going to do in the time frame that they said they were going to do it.
They spared no expense in making sure this is something that they can be proud of as a development and the people of St. Louis can be proud of.
I've been on the Planning Commission for 24 years and chaired the Planning Commission for approximately 15 years. The last development north of Parallel created major traffic issues, major traffic studies were conducted, and I don't think you're going to be able to put any more traffic west of 435 that isn't going to add to that congestion. Making Pinnacle a site that you can get off of 435 coming north or south and go east without impacting that traffic congestion that's west of 435.
It's far enough away from the neighborhoods that it won't be impactful on the traffic, the neighborhoods, schools, those sorts of things. But the connection next to the Legends through France Family Boulevard makes it interlinked.
The critical point with Pinnacle on any of these decisions are going to be decisions that are going to last for years to come, 25 years down the road. And if you impact and make the wrong decision and don't consider all the factors, those being traffic and location, and make that wrong decision now, it's not only going to hurt it now but in the future, and could be the failure to a lot of those businesses. And so the Pinnacle side allows you to continue growth, sustain the growth you have, and have a great future for Kansas City, Kansas.
I believe that the Pinnacle proposal, when linked together with Schlitterbahn, offers a family-friendly opportunity for convention business in the metropolitan area that's unparalleled by any of the other proposals.
I really feel that the best choice for the casino license and location is the site that Pinnacle has put forward. It's located at a major traffic intersection. The traffic flow is going to be there. But being located next to the Schlitterbahn Vacation Village, being located next to this major development that's going to have all of these attractions for the family, for the kids, for the adults, dining, destination shopping, the river system, the river entertainment, the synergy between the people that Pinnacle will bring and the people will bring will be amazing. None of the other sites are going to have that.
More than any of the other proposals, it complements our community. It works well with local government, the school districts. I think they'll be a great partner for the state of Kansas, and I think they'll help bring us the biggest impact on generating revenue that will benefit our local taxpayers and the taxpayers in the state of Kansas.
The fact that Pinnacle went out and partnered with Schlitterbahn makes their proposal that much stronger in my mind in terms of not only being a metropolitan area tourism destination, a statewide tourism destination, but also I believe it's the only proposal that has a nationwide appeal from a tourism standpoint.
Well, I think that the money that will be invested from the Pinnacle into USD 500 will be a very nice complement to the bricks and mortar and the initiative to improve our urban cores through economic development. I think that's going to be a critical piece because we can build the buildings and bring in the businesses, but we also need to bring our people along with that. And the way we can do that is through our school district, which is USD 500.
The Kansas City, Kansas School District is one of the poorest districts in the state of Kansas. With the volume of students that we have in USD 500, the Pinnacle proposal is the only proposal that will financially benefit the children within the USD 500.
This means $7 million to them. They are a school district that works in some of the most challenging areas of our city with the most challenging population, and they need those financial resources in order to be able to provide the educational tools that those kids need.
This has been top-notch. This is first class all the way. They don't spare any expenses. They've doubled their budget. Originally, it was somewhere in the neighborhood of $250 million. dollar promise in terms of what they wanted to spend on the project. It ended up about a $507 million project, and that was because they were very, very focused on quality.
I was most impressed with the Pinnacle and the way they dealt with the people of this city. Their outreach was amazing. Their grassroots campaigning for their casino was absolutely amazing. They were very friendly. I think they're going to be a nice business to have in Kansas City, and I think that they're going to have not just their business at hand and their business's best interest at hand, but I think they're also going to have the best interest of the people that live here at hand.
And they seem to be the most sincere people that truly stepped forward and wanted to be a partner, not only with the community, with the school district, with local government, and even with state government.
One of the things that makes this project so unique is it's not just the casino, and it's not just the casino and the restaurants, but it's a combination of that plus 2 hotel properties that really make it a complete package and a complete destination. And then in addition to that, they've added a Four Seasons hotel, which has a world-class reputation and is really changing the way meeting planners and business travelers think about St. Louis. So I don't think that we can ever put a price tag on what this project has done for St. Louis.
You know, I wouldn't have embraced them as a neighbor if I didn't think they were going to be a good neighbor. So I'm very excited about having them there.
Clearly, the Pinnacle proposal, in my mind, separates itself because it's not just about gaming. It's about families. It's about tourism. They bring a world-class facility to western Wyandotte County, which in fact will impact the state tourism and the region's tourism. And I'm hopeful that Pinnacle will be selected because I believe ultimately they will be the best long-term operator for bringing jobs, families, and growth to western Wyandotte County.
Pinnacle has been a great partner to work with. They have delivered on every promise that they made going into this and have done even much more. They've been quality, they've done a quality development, and they've also worked with us on addressing issues that we have going through. And so we're very pleased with what they've done, and I think this is a quality organization that really does meet their commitments.